It's said to cost 300 million to move an A pillar 6.5 centimeters backward. That yoke whale costs 20 million, a car with a pure visual intelligent driving system. Jiyue 07, let's see its performance today. Its price starts at 215,900. This one is an 800-volt structure premium version. Its length is 4.95 meters, a middle-large car. This version has a CATL battery of 100 kWh, which supports 5C charging. From 20% to 80%, it is estimated to take 10 minutes. The power and the chassis: 2 motors, 720 horsepower, along with the Rainbow 4-piston brake system. CTC, CVD is set to be adjusted to a racing grade. We will take a ride later. The car is designed exquisitely. It tries to reduce the lines which can be seen at its front. For instance, the seam line is removed to this place. It's the first time I've seen a car without door frame decorative strip, so it seems so clean. The B pillar and the 3 pillar are all flat. Many complain that they don't know how to open the electric door, but the bottom on its door has a light which is obvious. Press it and the door opens. No comments on this design. Tell me your thoughts in the comments. The people born in the 1980s and 1990s are familiar with Grillo. In Knight Rider, the car robot's Knight wheel is exactly the same as this one, but what I like the most is its side. Its center of gravity is near its tail, so sports. The hatchback should also be swoop-backed. This one has both. There's also a small electric spoiler which opens itself about 95 km per hour. When I get inside, the first surprise is its 35.6-inch 6K screen. The second is its aluminum board, which stretches from the door to the central console. It touches so cool. Plus the ambient lighting around the car and the yoke wheel, the inside looks like a spaceship in science fiction films. An advanced design, a ventilated wireless charge board, a big storage box, ventilated massage, heating and memory seats. No need to talk about them more. Let's check the back seats to see if they are convenient and if the space is enough. The giant roof reaches the back of my head there. The cushion is long enough to the back of my knees, and its angle is comfortable. Soft leather and sponge. I've adjusted the front seat to my usual position. 1 fist, 2 fists, 2 fists and 3 fingers. Nearly flat floor. It rises a bit in the middle, but it didn't hinder the people from moving. It's a single screen. It's not for watching video, but to choose songs and adjusting the AC and seats. Very nice. So kids won't watch videos which may affect their sight. We're driving it now. 2 motors, 530 kilowatts, which is 720 horsepower. If you wanted to buy a 720 horsepower sports car level years ago, it would cost you more than 5 million. But not. You just need 200,000 to 300,000 to buy such a powerful car. Its power is enough to face any tracks in China. It also has a track mode. When you switch on this mode, you can distribute the front and the rear torque force manually. About the chassis: the front double wishbone, the H-shape and multi-link rear suspension along with the CDC, CVD. This car is so agile in driving, its intelligent driving system is also a core function. It's pointless for me to say it. Let Jiyue CEO Mr. Xia Yiping, who has been inspecting me in the breakfast, to comment on it. It's our own intelligent driving system.
One of the best pure visual intelligent driving system in the world.
Is that sick, Mr. Xia?
Of course it is. Sure, I prefer that.
Quite right. Then we'll choose a car when it's marketed to test it on the brutal road, right?
No problem.
To be continued.